I'm Dr. Munun Haq. I'm the Acting Dean of the College of Healthcare Management and Economics at Gulf Medical University. I'm really glad that we are able to bring in Marlene Pinto. She is the founder of KFI Global to teach our students about financial management, rather personal finance management. I think it was a very exciting and engaging session. Students loved it, and I'm glad that the student gives a very positive feedback. So we look forward to have more sessions like this, and I would like to recommend the program to other colleges, schools, because it's very life-changing decisions that students need to make in the future. And I would like to thank Dubai Islamic Bank as well for sponsoring the event, and I look forward to have served more events in the future in our university. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jagrup Singh, faculty at College of Healthcare Management and Economics, here Gulf Medical University. Here at College of Healthcare Management and Economics, we equip students and prepare them regarding the different aspects of management, and money is one of the important aspects. Ms. Pinto from the organization, and she has actually given the concepts and how the students can relate to their day-to-day activities, whether they are purchasing something or they are availing any of those financial instruments. So I think now the students are better equipped and they can take conscious decisions and they can plan better regarding their financial aspect. I also thank Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this event, and on behalf of Gulf Medical University, I really appreciate the efforts of all the team who were here, and we are looking forward to have more events for our other colleges and for the students of Gulf Medical University. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Arbi. I really enjoyed this class because it didn't even feel like a lesson. It more felt like a guideline to life and how to tackle the next chapter in our lives. I recommend this to students across the world and as many people who can attend, because it gives you a better idea of financial planning as well as how to manage your money better.
مرحبا، أنا اسمي روبي عمار. اليوم حضرنا برنامج KFI بروجرام، كان كتير مفيد، بيحكي لنا إنه كيف نكون مسؤولين أكثر عن صرف المال، وبصراحة كان في كتير نقاط إحنا ما كنا واعيين عنها، وبنصح كل الطلاب إنه يجربوا ويحضروا هذا البروجرام.
Hi, my name is Samar here, and what I liked about this course is that I got to know the importance of money and where to spend, how to spend, and also in my situation I used to spend a lot for my desires rather than my needs, and for now onwards I'll try my best to save money rather than using where it's not needed.
السلام عليكم، أنا اسمي محمد. اليوم تعلمنا في KFI بروجرام كيف ندخر أموالنا بشكل أفضل، والفرق بين الأشياء اللي إحنا بنحتاجها بأيامنا العادية والأشياء اللي أصلاً ما بنحتاجها وبندفع عليها فلوس أكثر.
السلام عليكم. النهارده كنا في محاضرة KFI. صراحة تعلمنا حاجات كتير جدا يعني، وكانت مسلية وفي نفس الوقت بتدينا معلومات نفرق بين الاحتياجات اللي احنا محتاجينها فعلا والاشياء اللي مش ضرورية، وازاي نعرف نوفر اكتر كطلاب في جامعات وكمان في الحياة العادية.
Hi, my name is Farhan Ali Mir. I really enjoyed this program because it provided me with extremely useful insight on the entire personal finance industry, and I recommend everyone to attend this even if you think you know everything, there's still a lot of stuff which you don't know.